What is good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Teron Kid Fresh, and as you can see on the screen, I am playing I'm finna say WWE. What in the world? I'm playing 2K22, man. As you see on the title, I will be showing y'all the best 3-point money plays in this game. I've been using these plays for like 3 years now, so I know what I'm talking about. And I would guarantee you, if you use these plays, this will improve your game, and you will rarely lose. I don't even think you're gonna lose another game in NBA 2K if you use these plays. So if you have a cousin or a brother or somebody that you're trying to play, or even online, and like you wanna beat them, and like you haven't, let's say you haven't been winning that much, but if you use these plays, this is guaranteed gonna get you to that next level to whoop them. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, like I was trying to record this game live. Like I was like, you see me with my green screen, like I was talking and stuff, and like I was using the game live. Like, I was doing live commentary, everything. I was going through everything live with y'all. But like whenever I played it back, like the gameplay was louder than me. Like I was hearing the 2K songs, I couldn't even hear myself talk. Like I couldn't even hear what I was saying, man. That was tough. But anyways, man, you see this dude is using the Lakers, and you see I had 100% advantage over him, so that automatically lets me know that I am gonna completely just dookie on this guy. But we gonna go ahead and get to this gameplay, man. I'm gonna go ahead and teach y'all the sets that I use and what you need to do. So he go ahead and gets the tip off, and I see he doesn't press pause or nothing. He doesn't go into no settings. So that just tells me that all he's gonna try to do is try to just rim run and get to the basket all game, and that's not how you go and beat me in this game at all. You're not gonna beat me like that. I got Jimmy Butler on LeBron, so he takes a tough shot. It does not get to go. So we're gonna go ahead and press pause right here, and we're gonna go ahead and go to our offensive settings. You want to turn your adaptive coaching settings off, coaching engine off. You need that off so you could run the plays that you want. And then play vision display, you need to put that on full. Change it from light to full so you can see what's going on the floor. And right here, you don't need these plays. The first plays, you're not going to use them anyway, so you might as well just go ahead and replace them, man. You're not going to use them anyway, so go ahead and 3-point. And the first play we're looking for, I yawned, but the first play we're looking for is called Quick 3 STS, man. Quick 3 STS is the first play that we're looking for. And it should be coming up right about now. It's a little simple screen from somebody. You go to the wing and they can get another flare screen out. And the second play will be called Quick 4 STS flare. You do need this play as well, but I ain't put it on yet, just so like it can set up different. So you want to go to Quick 4 STS flare next. That's what you want to click on. You want to go ahead and do that. Then you go down to the next play, replace it, and you want to go to Quick 4 horns flare. You want to go to Quick 4 horns flare. This is a very nice play for another 3-point play. You see, you notice a trend here. Every time I go, I'll be honest. Every time I go and to play, I click L2 to go to 3-point, and I get these 3-point plays, man. But the last play is called Quick IVERSON, man. That's a very good 3-point play as well that you will need to add to your arsenal, man. I use Freelance Hawks. You don't got to use that, but I use Freelance Hawks. In these last 4 plays right here, you see all these 4? You want to delete all those by pressing square. Delete all those plays. You're not going to need them. Go ahead and add in your Quick IVERSON. You're going to need that. That's for your shooter. You need this for a shooter. So you press triangle, and I gave it to Duncan Robinson. He's my shooter. The next play you do use will be Quick 4 STS flare. I'm going to give this play to Jimmy Butler because he can facilitate and he can shoot the ball, because he gets a ball screen on that play as well if he's not open. The next play is called Quick 4 flare. Quick 4 horns flare. You want to get it to your power forward. Need to have somebody that can shoot right there. PJ Tucker has a good 3-point ball. He had an easy jumper, so I do give it to PJ Tucker. And the last play is Quick 3 STS. I will give this back to Jimmy Butler for the simple fact that you do get a ball screen after the play is over. Whenever there's no options open, you do get a ball screen, and Jimmy Butler is somebody that could facilitate and kind of get somebody open. So we're gonna call the first play here The first play we're gonna go with is quick Iverson. This is to my shooter, so you want to go whenever you see him set up. You know, I ain't had no time for this play. We're gonna go ahead and call it again whenever we get the ball back on offense. So Russell Westbrook has the ball. He gets a personal foul here, so we're gonna go ahead and call that play again just so you can see the actions. So we're gonna call quick Iverson. You want to run the same side as the way he's coming. So I'll go that way. You see Duncan Robinson over there like that. And if he get a good open look like that, you see how he gets a screen like that for a wide open three. So I'm going to go ahead and run that back. So we in slow motion now. I call quick Iverson. So look, you see Duncan Robinson on the left side. Whoever side he's on, that's the side you want to run. So I run that way, do a crossover. You see PJ Tucker sets the screen right here. Duncan Robinson gets a look. He's kind of far, so I don't like that shot. So we get a screen right here from PJ Tucker. You see he's wide open for a wide open three. That's cash money. So I'm going to go ahead and call that play again, get a different look. You know what I'm saying? So I see Duncan Robinson. I run that way. See him wide open. He's not wide open. So we're going to go ahead and try to reset. Let me try to get something going. We're going to call it again. We're going to call it quick 3 STS this time. So Jimmy Butler sets the screen for me. He gets open. And that's a wide open three. So we're going to go ahead and play that back again so I can explain why that got open. Alright, so the play call is called quick 3 STS. So this is for your small forward or somebody that could like shoot the ball and kind of facilitate. So we get to the wing right here and Jimmy Butler comes and set a screen for me on the wing. I go this way, he gives a little move and then he sets a screen. Bam Adebayo sets a down screen right there and Jimmy Butler is wide open for a three. I call this play whenever I'm in a hurry. Like you see how the time was ticking down, the time was clicking down. I had to hurry up and call something. I got that Jimmy Butler play wide open. He greens a three, and we're gonna go on to the next play. The next play we have here is called quick 4 STS flare. It's kind of the same. Well, he reaches on me on here. We're gonna call it again. It's kind of the same as the quick 3 STS, but it's a little different. So we're gonna call it quick 4 STS flare. Jimmy Butler comes to set the screen on the wing, but this time he flares out, right? But like you get a different look. Then you get his ball screen at the end, and after that it's just pick and roll. That's Jimmy Butler's shot. I will take that shot any day. I just have to green that. But you see how open he got. I'm gonna show y'all again one more time to see how the play works out, so you can see why they got. Oh my God, snatch block. Hold on, let me call it again. Let me see if I'll call it again. Oh yeah, so like look. So here's an example. You don't have to call a play every single time. You can do a fast break. Like with these plays, they're good. But like, if you have a fast break, by all means, try to get your fast break points. If not, then you can set up a play. I call up quick Iverson, and you see Duncan Robinson wide open for a three. Easy cash money. You know what I'm saying? You can never go wrong with these plays. You get open threes. You get open looks at all times, man. Alright, man, for this play right here, we're going to go with quick 4 horns flare. We're going to get a screen right here from PJ Tucker. And look, the first option wasn't open. He was open, but we didn't want to shoot it. We passed it to the corner. It's another easy green. We caught him sleeping. We're going to run that back so you can understand all the options we have in this play. So let me run that back right quick. So boom, right? We get to the middle of the floor. And we call quick 4 horns flare, right? So this is a play for your power forward or somebody to shoot that can shoot the ball and set a screen. So he sets a ball screen from me right here. Kyle Lowry goes and look, if you got the open lane, go take the layup. But if not, you kick it out right here. Look, this a shot right here. I didn't want to shoot it. I caught him sleeping in the corner. That's green. You know, we got shooters in the corner on every side of every play I run. I always have shooters in the corners. So those are my 4 top money plays I run. I've been running these plays for 4 years, you know, and I just mix them up in my offense. You know, I don't just run them every single time I go down the floor. You know, these plays are also on next gen as well. So like, but these plays really do help out when it comes to securing a dub in 2K, and when it comes to actually trying to get a bucket every time I go down the floor. You know, what you want to do is like on this game, you don't want to turn the ball over that much. You don't want to miss shots that much because like every possession counts, right? So every time I'm not scoring, it's an opportunity for the other team to score, and I don't like that. So I like to score every single possession I can. So I called quick 3 STS right here, but the play just got screwed up totally. I don't know what happened right there. But I'm just gonna show y'all, like, I'm gonna show y'all these plays on next gen as well, and I'm just gonna put like a little clip in a compilation of me just scoring on these plays and through this game, like, and how dominant they just work and how I just destroyed this man I played. So you don't have to watch the full video, but if you want to see the play working more and see how much it worked, then you can go ahead and keep watching this video. If you learn something new, go ahead and like or subscribe. You know, it really helps the channel grow. It helps more people it helps it get out to more people. And you know, if you rock with yourself, you might as well just go ahead and just like this video. You see Carmelo just hit a contested 3 out of nowhere. I don't know what's going on, but with that being said, man, I'm just gonna let the gameplay keep going, and I'm gonna show y'all how many times it got open. So with that being said, man, I'm out.